Welcome to the Med Spa Minute, where every week we give you free advice on what's new and hot in the med spa world. I'm Jessica Schiller, nurse practitioner and owner of Luna Med Spa. This week we're going to be talking about sun damage. Sun damage is one of those things where everybody that comes in for consultation, almost everybody, wants to address. Sun damage can come in all different forms. It can be red, it can be brown, it can be broken blood vessels, it can be hyperkeratosis, which is like a texture on the skin, actinic keratosis, which is another kind of texture on the skin. It can just present in multiple different forms on the surface of the skin. And sun damage usually happens before the age of 18. We thought we were invincible and we didn't really care. And then when we're adults, now we all care and want to correct it. There are two treatments that are my top two favorite treatments to address sun damage. The first treatment is BBL, which is broadband light. It's a treatment by Cyton Laser, and it helps pull up the pigment. It targets specific colors, and it's broadband light, so it targets a lot of different colors, so it's all encompassing. It pulls up browns and reds, and it does a really good job. It's like the magic eraser. It's one of my favorite treatments. However, you can only use that one in the winter when you're outside of the sun. So if you're looking to treat in the summer months, Clear and Brilliant is my other favorite treatment for sun damage. You can treat year-round with Clear and Brilliant. It's not color sensitive. It uses a wavelength 1927 that targets pigment specifically, and we find that Clear and Brilliant does a really good job of cleaning up whatever BBL can't get. So if you're starting in the summer right now with your sun damage rejuvenation journey, start with Clear and Brilliant, and then we can always transition to BBL in the fall. BBL is not safe for all skin types. That's another reason why you should consult with a medical professional or come into Luna and see one of our girls, and we will point you in the right direction. Lastly, we would recommend using Skin Better retinols, which is Alpha-Ret, Skin Better Alto, which is an antioxidant serum. It has vitamin C in it, which vitamin C neutralizes UVB free radicals. So it also helps in sun protection, but it brightens up your skin. And then we would recommend SPF. Protect your investment. Use SPF every single day. My favorite SPF is Skin Better Tone Smart. It's a 75% SPF, and it's a mineral SPF, which mineral means that it's active immediately. You don't have to wait that 30 minutes before going in the sun. As soon as you put it on your skin, it's effective, and it utilizes zinc and titanium dioxide. It does have a little bit of a tint to it, so you don't look super white and pasty, but the tint is nice. It's what I use personally as my makeup every day. Instead of using a foundation or anything, I just use my Tone Smart SPF, and it's the chef's kiss. Our expert recommendations for the week are, having realistic expectations with any sun damage treatment. It does take time. I always say to patients, how long did it take you to get this sun damage? It was there since you were 20 and you're 60. So it's going to take a while to reverse. So having those realistic expectations and also knowing that you're going to need maintenance treatments. Being committed in your treatment plan and protocols is what is going to get you the best results. I always explain sun damage like a tree. It's deeply rooted into the skin. It's like a scar. It's always going to be there. But we can, maintain it and topically make it look a lot better. I always say it's like trimming the tree branches because we're, making it disappear for a little while, making it clean and clean it up. But it's always going to come back if you're in the UV environment. And even when you're wearing sunscreen, it's just being in the UV environment. It'll come back up over time. Not right away, not the next day, even over years. So that's why we always just say maintain your results and maintain your investment by wearing SPF. That is all for this week of Med Spa Minute. Join us next week and make sure to follow us on Instagram and on YouTube. And we're going to be posting our links below.